Today's medical-centric topic is oregano oil benefits and how to use it safely. Oregano oil is a concentrated extract from the oregano plant, Origanum vulgare, packed with powerful compounds like carvacrol and thymol. These bioactive ingredients give oregano oil its antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular natural remedy for various health concerns. Key health benefits. 1. Fights bacteria and viruses. Oregano oil's high carvacrol content has been shown to inhibit harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, and it may also help combat certain viruses that cause respiratory infections. 2. Supports respiratory health. Inhaling diluted oregano oil steam or using it in a diffuser may help relieve congestion and soothe symptoms of colds, coughs, or sinus infections. Its anti-inflammatory nature may also reduce swelling in the airways. 3. Aids digestive health. Oregano oil can help fight bacterial overgrowth in the gut, potentially benefiting those with small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO. It may also ease bloating and support a healthier gut microbiome. 4. Powerful antioxidant protection. Its compounds help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage linked to aging and chronic disease. 5. Antifungal properties. Oregano oil may be effective against yeast infections such as Candida albicans when used appropriately. How to use oregano oil safely. Dilute before use. Oregano oil is extremely potent and can cause irritation if applied directly to the skin or taken undiluted. Mix 1 to 2 drops with a teaspoon of carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, for topical use. Internal use. If taking oregano oil orally, choose a food-grade supplement in capsule form. Short-term use, up to 2 weeks, is generally considered safe for most healthy adults. Always follow dosage instructions on the label. Aromatherapy. Add a few drops to a diffuser with water to inhale its vapors for respiratory relief. Precautions and side effects. Not for long-term use. Prolonged internal use can disrupt the gut's natural bacteria balance. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Avoid using oregano oil internally as it may stimulate uterine contractions. Skin sensitivity. Always patch test before applying to larger areas of skin. Medical conditions and medications. If you take blood thinners, have bleeding disorders, or take diabetes medication, consult your doctor before use. Bottom line, oregano oil can be a powerful, natural remedy for immune support, gut health, and respiratory relief, if used correctly. Stick to recommended doses, dilute well, and avoid long-term internal use to ensure safety.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.